Play the game which you create. Don't play somebody else's game. The battles are won before the war. Hey everybody, today I'm going to tell you why it is so important to always create the game and play the game which you create, not somebody else's game. Right? At the end of the day, life is too short. And like Warren Buffett, some of the world's amazing stock market mentors, right? Like all-time favorite people for all the people, like Warren Buffett always tells one thing: know your circle of competence. What do I mean by competence? It's not about how large area, like define your perimeter well, so that like you will be able to get to know what exactly you are good at, what is your strengths and what is your weakness. No matter who you are, from which part of the world you're watching from, like everybody is good in something. Do you guys agree or not? You are good in something, I'm good in something, and if I try to play something which I'm not good at, obviously I'm going to lose, right? See, what makes billionaires so extremely successful and the broke people so miserably failing in so many things? See, one thing we have to know is, like, the most important thing is we have to play as per our strengths. Like if you see, like Bruce Lee's one of the very famous quotes which goes like this, right? Bruce Lee tells he doesn't fear someone who learns how to kick in 50 different directions, but he actually fears someone who learns one kick for like 50 years or like 20 years, right? Like one kick, like if he has mastered it, it will be extremely difficult to fight with that person. Now, what do I mean? Like, what do we understand by this amazing philosophy of like Warren Buffett and Bruce Lee and amazing billionaires in the world, right? See, from these iconic case studies, whatever I'm telling you, the most important thing what we can learn is, like, you always have to identify like your circle of competence. It's something like, imagine guys, like you are trying to play with someone who is already into an industry, who is having a big team, who is having big softwares, like who is having everything whatever is required. And if you try to fight with him, obviously there is like very higher chances for you to lose the game, right? Like you have to identify what is that like you can create, right? Everybody is different. Like identify, ask your heart, ask your gut, right? Like what are you extremely good at? If you could not find what you're good at, go and ask your friends, family members, parents, teachers, everyone, neighbors. Ask them, what do you think I am good at, right? Like what do you think is my weakness? And as Warren Buffett, like Charlie Munger, like the self-made billionaire Warren Buffett's partner, tells, if he knows where he's going to die, he will never go there, right? Like you always have to be aware. Like you always have to be aware of like your pitfalls, like what are the mistakes which you can do. Like example, I'm not so good in writing English, like what is that, like writing or something. I often do mistakes, and that is one of my weakness, right? Like how I will be able to outwit that weakness is by having someone who's extremely good content writer, right? Like basically who can turn my words into like text and post, because I have the knowledge, right? Like I can share the amazing real knowledge, what it takes, and I'm able to effectively communicate things, how a person can go from current situation to desired situation in the least possible time, and how they can get quick results. Like that, you also have to identify what are you extremely good at and how you can help people, how you can help the marketplace to get amazing results and faster results. All you need to do is understand yourself. Sit in a moment, like stay in a moment, right? Like sit in a place, meditate for a while and identify, write down everything, like step by step. Like you have to know that one thing. Like what do I mean by one thing? Like what you have to do is you have to draw a circle. Like I'm showing you a circle, right? And this is like the perimeter. In this, like you have to define what are you extremely good at. This is the thing which you have to do, right? Like because time is like too short, like we can't like do everything whatever we see. Identify like your perimeter. What are you good at? Are you good in closing? Are you good in consulting? Are you good in whatever it is? Everybody is good in something, and you focus only on that, like laser focus on that. And rest other things, like you can outsource it to other people who are competent enough in that particular skill. By doing this, like you will be able to save a lot of time, energy and money, and you are playing the skill which you're extremely good, right? And by doing this, like you can kill like your competition entirely and have like lateral thinking. That's what mentor like Naveen Jain tells. See, for you to disrupt the industry, all you need to do is like become good in one or two things and question experts. Experts are the people who have taken things for granted and they have a lot of knowledge, they have the PhD, whatever it is, right? And they think like linearly, right? Like whereas non-expert is the people who try to question everything, just like a small child. When a small child, when he goes in a train, he asks mom, dad, what is this? Train is moving, the trees are like the birds are chirping, like so many things, right? Like all you need to do is be curious, ask questions, surround yourself with experts, ask them questions, and you focus on like your three competence. What are you extremely good at, and outsource everything. And that's how like you can actually win and make sure that and making sure that like you actually get the amazing results. This is the one tip which I want to tell you. And people, or some people tell like you have to work upon your weakness or something. See, everybody have their own insecurities. It doesn't matter he's a billionaire or a trillionaire in the world. Everybody has their own insecurities. Everybody is good in something. Everybody have their own insecurities, right? All you need to do is like be good in something, right, and outsource everything which you're not good at. By doing this, like you will be able to enjoy the life and get amazing results, whatever you want, right? And do take action and complete this exercise. It hardly takes you like 30 minutes. Write down all your strengths, write down your 5 strengths and like 5 weaknesses, and see how you can outsource it to the right group of people. By doing this, you will have a life of super amazing things. And thank you so much everyone for watching, and do let me know what was your biggest takeaway in the comments. Have a great day everyone. Bye bye. See you.